I wanted to do this video because I am an avid, huge BTS fan. I love them. I am true ARMY, have been for a while. I'm also a group fitness instructor, and I incorporate a lot of their songs into my workouts. But specifically, I have this playlist that I built that is BTS only, and I know how much there are other fans in the world that love them too, so I thought I would do a special video just for that playlist to share to the world. So if you guys want, please participate. All you need are 2 light weights, and I'm talking 5 pounds or less, okay? And this is a workout that I created called low impact interval training. So there is no jumping, but it gets your heart rate up and you sweat buckets. This is just a sampling. It's only gonna be a 15-minute class, warm up and cool down included. But I typically teach this live multiple times a week, and those classes are an hour. So if you want more, please follow me on this channel. I also post stuff on Instagram, and I go live on Facebook as well. So thanks for being here. Let's get started. You do not need the weights for the warm up. So quick warm up. Let's go. Turn this up. Good. Roll out your knees. Good. Both directions. Nice. And hips. Good. Other side. And as you can see, my Christmas tree, scoop it out front, is huge and a part of the set today. Good. Squat, reach all the way down. Reach it up. Go to those toes. Good. I'm just turning because I got this in the way. Squat and tap. Reverse lunge. Nice. Woo! Nice job. Nice and wide. Side to side. Good. Speed to one side. Good. So for those of you ARMY out there, I just watched their incredible MMA Melon Music Awards performance. Good. Slowly walk those feet in, and I am just blown away. Stay here, bend and straighten. If you need to, hands on the quads. Good. 3, 2, 1. And I can't tell you how excited I am to watch Mama as well. See, true fan. Good. And reverse it. Awesome, you guys. Okay. Gonna get a little more dynamic just to get that body extra warm. Butt kick right here. Good. Single leg jack. Right here, step it out, and twist, twist, twist. Good. Other leg. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job. Okay, grab your weights. Like I said, light weights is it. You can do any of these moves without the weights, okay? All right, guys, are you ready for this? We go mic drop. Squat it out. Drop it down. Drop it down. Good. Double time. it here. Skater. Single leg. Hey. Good. We're gonna down and kick. Woo! Double time. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Nice, you guys. Add that kick in. Good. Double time. Nice. Down, up, down, up. Good. Other side. Nice and low. Pull, pull, pivot that knee. Excellent. Single leg jacks. Come on. Tap it out, fly. Single leg jacks. You got it. Tap it out, fly. Back to the top. Squat. 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 Good. Punch it. Punch it. Punch it. Good. Double time. Good job. You got it. Down, up. Other side. Down, up. Nice and low. Pull, pull, pull. Woo! Single leg jacks. Woo! Tap it. Single leg jacks. Tap it. So good. Squat. Haters gon' hate. Players gon' play. Good. We have 3 taps to this side. Don't shift that weight. 2, 3. Good. Good. Hey. Singles. Add a punch down. Good job. Hold it here. Pulse it out. We'll go mic drop. Not done yet. Oh, it's next. Woo! I'm turning it up. You ready? Big, huge punches. Come on. Good job. Get low. Punch it out. Pinky forward. Yeah, other side. Singles. Come on. Doubles. Double. Hey. Fists together. Fists. Come on. You ready? Double time. Woo! Ah! Come on!
just have like stink face the whole time. Right here. Oh yeah. Woo! Other side. Oh my gosh! Double time. Double. Oh, my arms. Right? Fists together. Good. Double time. Oh my gosh. Good chops. Reverse kick. Woo! Same leg. Now, kick. I love it. Come on, you guys. Back to the top. A little tighter this time. Good. Squat, pull, squat, pull. Come on. Whatever you're mad at, this is the perfect time to get it out. Right here. Double, double, single, single. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Woo! Oh my gosh. Wow. Last but not least, Dynamite, you ready to dance? Oh my gosh. Let's go. Other side. Disco. Other side. Out front. If this song doesn't make you smile, I don't know. Woo-hoo. Ready? Punch it down. Double time. You disco. Come on. Middle. Low. Middle. Do it again. Good. Double time. Let's do it. Na 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 na. Hey. Good. Honestly, I don't know how they sing and dance at the same time. It's amazing. Drop those weights. Back to the top. Come on, take. Sing it. Hey, hey. Other side. I got the medicine. Out front. Move it down. Woo-hoo. Ready? Punch it. Double time. Disco. Middle. Good. So good. Woo! Double time. Again. Good. Awesome. Grab those weights again. March it. Oh yeah, you guys. Little faster. Little faster. Back to the top. Yeah. Come on. Disco. Come on. Woo. Out front. it. Double time. Disco. Good. 2 by 2. Think of your best disco pose. Awesome job, you guys. That's all I have. Woo. #1 on Billboard. Hey. Let's cool it down really quick. Arm across the chest. I love this song. Other side. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick workout. Arms back behind you. Lift up as high as you can and lean. That side. Other side. Awesome. Triceps. Like I said, I have this class full version and I go live and they're always on my channel, YouTube channel. So follow me, subscribe, hit that bell because that's how you know when I'm live or when I have a new workout. So good, so good. Switch sides. Y'all are amazing. Thank you guys. I purple you.